Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most essential skills in Photoshop 2025, how to insert an image onto your canvas. Whether you're just getting started with design or want a quick refresher, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring your images into Photoshop and get them ready to edit, create, and bring your ideas to life. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Photoshop 2025 on your computer. If you haven't used this latest version yet, don't worry, the basics are still very familiar, and the interface remains streamlined and intuitive. Take a moment to let the application boot up. Sometimes it's best to just pause, make sure your workspace is set, and maybe even close any other distracting windows. Next, you'll need to locate the image you want to work with. This means opening up your File Explorer. On Windows, that's File Explorer, and on Mac, it's Finder. Navigate to the folder where you've saved your image. It might be a photo you snapped on your phone, a downloaded graphic, or even a scanned piece of artwork. If you can't see your image right away, don't worry, just take your time and double-check the folder path. Making sure you know exactly where your file is can honestly save a lot of headache later. Now here's the simplest and most satisfying part. Click on the image file, and while holding down your mouse button, drag it over to your open Photoshop window. You'll notice as you drag that the canvas area highlights or changes to show you it's ready to accept the image. This drag and drop method is super intuitive, but if you accidentally drop it somewhere else, you can just try again. There's really no risk of breaking anything here, so feel free to experiment. As soon as you drop your image onto the canvas, Photoshop automatically places it right in the workspace, usually as a new layer. This is really important. By working with layers, you maintain flexibility and non-destructive editing. If you're new to layers, just think of them as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, letting you move, adjust, and transform each element without messing with the others. From here, you're ready to start editing. You can resize your image by grabbing the corners and dragging until it fits just how you like. Try using the transform tools, pressing Command+T or Control+T to get precise control. If your image isn't centered, just drag it around until it sits perfectly. Need to tweak the colors or touch up flaws, jump into adjustment layers or use the retouch tools. The real magic of Photoshop begins once your image is inside and you have total creative freedom. Don't worry if these editing options feel overwhelming, just start simple. Experiment with brightness, contrast, or even crop the image. Over time, you'll find your favorite tools and shortcuts, and that's really all there is to it. By learning how to insert an image, you've unlocked the door to endless possibilities in Photoshop 2025. Whether you're making digital art, editing photos, or designing graphics, this process is your foundation. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see deeper dives into Photoshop tools. And if you're looking to build your creativity and skill, be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.